everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if not receiving MMS messages on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on restart. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it's not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. After click on app management, click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and search messages app from here. After click on messages app, click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings and click on reset. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if not receiving MMS messages on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.